Good night, students and tutor. My name is Juliana Camargo Torres. I live in Intensa. I am from Santa Rosa de Viterbo, Boyacá. I work in a school. I study environmental engineering. My favorite sport is skiing. I like to read and listen to music in my spare time. My favorite hobby is watching movies. I love dogs. I love my family. I love my mom. I have 3 brothers. Their names are Gerson, Frankie, and Carlos. In the photography, the church and park of Santa Rosa de Viterbo appear. The church is beautiful. At Christmas, the decoration of light is great. This park is called Rafael Reyes. The weather of the city is very cool, but many people go visit this park for its butterfly shape, for its decoration at Christmas. The city is very quiet and small. I feel very happy in this place because I have my family and the people I love. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.